So this workshop is extremely important. And I'm saying it's critically important because, first of all, it allows us, the persons who are here representing Antigua and Barbuda, we can say health, we can say environment, even though it's one ministry, still is health, environment, we also have agriculture, we have tourism. It allows us to come together and make decisions and participate in making recommendations to the Government of Antigua as far as water resource management is concerned. This opportunity here that we have just around the table with this discussion does not necessarily take place in Antigua as it should, because in Antigua everybody is busy doing their own things, and unfortunately that prevents us some of the times from coming together. So that allows that. It also is important because we can network. We can see what is happening in Grenada, we can see what is happening in other countries in the OECS and see what we can learn from, so that we can, of course, benefit our operations in Antigua and Barbuda as far as water resource management is concerned. In addition to that, I also want to mention the whole idea of policies and legislation. We need to have these things in place. We need to make sure we have committees, cabinet-appointed groups in place. We need to bring together both the private sector and also statutory bodies, along with government, to look at water resource management, integrated water resource management in Antigua and Barbuda. So this allows us a platform on which to do so and to get guidance and advice from all the expertise that is in the room and in the region to assist us in making those strides moving forward in Antigua and Barbuda.